Claim of cognizance and legal forum. Description. This educational video explores the legal doctrines of claim of cognizance and forum selection, key principles in jurisdictional disputes. It explains how courts determine the appropriate venue for legal cases, the mechanisms for challenging jurisdiction, and the implications of forum selection clauses. The discussion provides a structured analysis suited for academic and legal studies. Text. Claim of cognizance. A claim of cognizance, also spelled cognizance, is a legal principle asserting that a specific court or authority, rather than the court where the case was initially filed, has jurisdiction over a matter. It is a procedural mechanism historically rooted in common law, allowing a competing court to claim the right to adjudicate a case. Key features. Applied when two or more courts have overlapping jurisdiction. Used primarily in cases where a specialized or higher authority asserts control over a legal matter. Historically significant in disputes between feudal, ecclesiastical, or common law courts. Can be invoked to transfer a case to a more appropriate court based on jurisdictional rules. Example application. Consider a commercial dispute filed in State Court A, but State Court B argues that it has the proper jurisdiction due to the location of the contractual agreement. State Court B may file a claim of cognizance to assert its authority and move the case to its jurisdiction. Legal forum and forum selection. The forum refers to the specific court or jurisdiction where a legal dispute is adjudicated. Courts determine the most appropriate forum based on various legal and practical factors, including contractual agreements, geographic relevance, and convenience for involved parties. Types of legal forums. 1. Forum conveniens, the most appropriate and convenient jurisdiction for the case. 2. Forum non conveniens, a doctrine allowing a court to decline jurisdiction if another venue is more suitable. 3. Contractual forum selection clause, a clause within a contract specifying the legal venue for dispute resolution. 4. Domestic versus international forum, the determination of whether a case should be litigated in a local or foreign jurisdiction. Significance in legal proceedings. Selecting the correct forum impacts procedural laws, judicial efficiency, and case outcomes. Courts may transfer cases to a different jurisdiction if it better serves the interests of justice. A defendant may challenge the jurisdiction by invoking forum non conveniens or a claim of cognizance to seek a transfer. Example application. A business based in California is sued in New York, but the defendant argues that the appropriate forum should be California due to the nature of the transactions. The defense could file a motion to change the venue, citing forum non conveniens or a contractual forum selection clause. Conclusion. Understanding the distinction between claim of cognizance and forum selection is essential in jurisdictional disputes. These legal doctrines ensure that cases are adjudicated in the most appropriate venue, protecting the procedural rights of litigants and promoting judicial efficiency.